Hey, Grego's here. How you doing? Just picking this up. The Alfa with no name. Yeah, let's have a look-see at it a bit closer now that it's been blasted and epoxied inside and out. So, ex-rally car. We've got your standard little joins and that there. Guards have been replaced at some stage. You can see the calibre of repairs there. It's a nice little patch on the front there. I think the badge sits there and it's a little bit mangled, so definitely going to need a bit of work there. Underneath here, it must have been all rotted out, so put another patch and it's already started rotting out again. You can see in here some previous rust patches. That's the bottom of the back of the battery tray, more or less. That had been repaired. That's been repaired there. Another patch been put in under there. Woo! It's had some repairs, like they all have, and it's funny that they've put in repairs there, and she's just like re-rusted again. And it just sort of goes to show that it's more than just welding a patch on it. It's what's happening underneath is what you got to work out. This whole quarter's getting replaced anyway, so it's probably not worth looking at individual pieces. That's all rotten out in there. It's all been minced. Patch there. Yeah, so you can see where a panel's been stitched on. There's definitely a bit of rustage in there. Oh my word, Andrew's got some work to do on this. Yeah, don't ask questions about this. Yeah, well, we've only got to go a few hundred metres up the road. That's the funny part. But you can't exactly push a rotisserie up or tow it with a car or anything. So we just need to get a jack to get it, that last bit up on the thing. So yeah, this quarter panel is rat-a-tat-tat. It's a little bit rooted, isn't it? Back along there. Oh, that's the other side of that. Oh, the mice have been chewing. So all that'll have to be probably hand fabricated. I know Andrew's got a mate, you can't get these anymore apparently, so these B pillars as I'll call them. So there's going to be some fabrication work involved. Look, it's a classic car with history of racing. It's sort of what you got to expect. You know, they had a go at putting that patch in pretty close, just smash it out. Yeah, never mind the factory lines or anything. Same as there. And then once you got one down and there's another hole, just stack another one on top of it. Yeah, so that's not how we do it. Certainly not on a car of this caliber, as in the value of when it's finished. Yeah, so the half roll cage is staying. Yeah, and this front panel and sill is going to be cut away. Another little patchy patch there. Yeah, so, and it's had a bit of a Mr. Pringle at the front there at one stage. You can see that's been crimpled in, which we'll have to work on. So yeah, the front guards aren't too bad. They're probably repairable, but the back ones are pretty bad. So the engine bay is not too bad for the most part, except for down here where it was, had a little shunt, I'd say, a little push. But that's what it's about. These make fantastic race cars. Not that I've driven one, but I would just imagine that that is the case, that because of how they their weight balance and all the rest, and rear-wheel drive and high revving engines, they would have been awesome handling vehicles. So yeah, anyway, I'm I'm super keen to get this once the panels arrive. We're going to cut. Well, we could probably start cutting some sections even before the ones that we know we can repair ourselves. Oh yeah, boy. So yeah, that's it. Alright, just thought I'd do a quick video while I was waiting for the jack to arrive. So alright, talk to you later.